Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming your iPhone has mobile data or Wi-Fi and location services turned on. This prevents delays. Next, open Messages and pick the conversation with the person you want to share with. Tap the contact name or info icon at the top. This reveals options. Make sure you choose the correct thread, because once you share live location, it persists according to the duration you select. Now tap Share My Location to continue. Once you tap Share My Location, choose a duration, 1 hour until the end of the day or indefinitely if you'll be on the move. Select the option that matches your privacy needs. Shorter periods reduce exposure. After picking duration, the map preview appears. Double-check the pin matches your position. Then confirm by tapping Send or Done. Messages now displays a live map thumbnail. The recipient can tap it to follow your movement in near real time. To stop sharing, return to the same message, tap the contact, and choose Stop Sharing. You can also open Settings, Privacy, Location Services, and verify Find My and Messages have permission. If the recipient reports a frozen location, restart your iPhone or toggle airplane mode briefly to refresh the network and GPS. Make sure low power mode isn't limiting background updates. Disable it if live updates aren't appearing. That resolves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.